What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you guys are still here with me, rocking with me. I truly appreciate you guys while I'm focused on dealing with my new normal and getting used to my new schedule and everything, and trying to cope with everything that's been going on since I had baby. So with that being said, let me jump right into this video. Now, I did want to come to you guys with a review of this product because I kind of had mixed feelings about it. I am just about trying to figure out whether or not this is for Harmony or not. If we like it or if we don't, we're going to dive right into this review and find out if your girl liked it or not. So if you want to know if Harmony liked this swaddler, stay tuned. So this is stage 1 that I got. I got stage 1 swaddling. They do have 3 stages. Stage 1 is for the newborns. It says from birth until baby shows signs of trying to roll. Stage 2 is transitional, which means you can transition from swaddling to arms free sleeping. And then stage 3 is independent sleep, where you can use it from 6 months once baby is sleeping independently. So there are 3 stages of swaddling to this product. And no, you don't get it all in one product. I have the stage 1, so you eventually have to buy stage 2 and stage 3. And these things are not cheap. They are $40 each. So actually, I think they go in upwards of like $80 or something. But this one was $40 at Target. But it does have breathable fabric. The temperature does in her when Harmony is in there, her temperature doesn't, it doesn't make her sweat or anything like that. It's just a nice breathable fabric, and so I like that about the product as well. Here is the sizing chart. It shows you what sizes you can get for your baby. So I got the small, which is 1 to 3 months, and it actually fits Harmony very well because it says from 8 to 13 pounds, and I believe she's around about that right now. The newborn, I'm not sure if that would have been too small for her, but I wonder if I had got the newborn, would it have been just enough fit for her to actually sleep and not, startle or wake or anything like that, not wake up within 15 minutes. I will never know that because I have the small and I'm not going to buy the newborn to find out. This is the swaddling stage system that I was talking about before, just so that you guys can get an up close picture of it. And so yeah, I have the swaddling stage 1, but you are going to need to buy 2 and 3 if that's what you choose to use. And again, this thing was made in Australia or designed in Australia. And again, I like it. It says safer sleep made simple. I really do like it. This one has a little cup to hide the zipper, and then you zip it all the way down, and then you zip it back up. It also has 2 zippers. It says this one is the original. Arms up position equals more sleep. Let me dig a little deeper into that, because when I put Harmony in it, and she did have her arms up, and it's really fitted. Well, not really fitted, but it's fitted enough so that the baby can move, but not move so much that it restricts, that it's not restrictive enough to stop the startling awake reflex.
Treating COVID-19 patients being deemed long haulers. Plus, headed east, the beachside city is looking at more tech companies away from Silicon Valley.
Oh. You don't like it? No. the baby. Say, where are my thumbs? I've gotta find my thumbs. Okay, honey. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. If you don't like it, tell the people you don't like it. Alright. I don't know if it gave her more sleep. Now, let me read you this one. Because it says, consistency is key to success. That's what it's saying. So, at the top, in dark black print, it does tell you that it takes some babies 3 to 7 days to get used to the swaddle. And that means that they may not sleep well in the swaddle right off bat. And so you would have to you know, keep going, be consistent, keep putting your baby in for nap times and bedtimes, and then they'll just get used to it and, you know, sleep as normal. Well, here's the thing with that though. I really like the fit on Harmony. I like, because it's this one that I got is a small. It's for 8 to 13 pounds. So I really like the fit on her because it's supposed to fit nice and snug in certain areas, and then at the feet be, you know, nice and loose. So I really like the fit. The problem that I'm having is that Harmony does not sleep well in it. She will sleep as long as maybe 10 or 15 minutes and then she's up. So I guess that goes to the consistency is key to sleep, you know, mantra that they got going on here, that you do need to stay consistent in order for your baby to sleep in it. Well, Harmony only had it on for 1 day. After that 1 day, I had already come to the conclusion that I was not willing to sacrifice my, you know, the little sleep that I am getting with a newborn to try and stay consistent with this for up to 7 days, because she sleeps really well when I swaddle her the regular way. She sleeps really well, and I'm able to get a little, you know, sleep in, you know, in between that. So I just was like, do I guess it's user error with this thing. And because the problem is, I don't know if I was willing to give up, you know, 7 days to try it out, to see if it would work with her. Because I'm already not getting enough sleep. I'm already on edge, and I've got a lot of other, like, things going on in my life that I'm trying to cope with at this point. And so I just didn't know if I was willing to put in the effort for the 7 days and see if it would work with her. Because if it doesn't work with her, then I feel like I would have lost a lot of time, and then she probably wouldn't have wanted to be swaddled the regular way anymore, and then I would have had lost that as well. So I don't know if there are other parents out there who have tried this and have gotten success off of it. I know when I bought it from Target, there were a lot of reviews that said, you know, this worked great, but there were also some that said my baby hated this thing. So that's pretty much where I am, because I don't really want to put in the effort. But as far as her using it to take, you know, little short naps in or anything like that, or she, you know, just to swaddle her during the day and letting her sleep in a swing or something like that, that actually, you know, is pretty okay. It's pretty decent. But if I want her to sleep longer than 15 minutes, I have to swaddle her the regular way. Like, I can't depend on this thing to, you know, give her the sleep that she needs so that I can be able to either get some sleep or do what I need to do throughout the day, because I have 3 other kids, one of which is a toddler, that I have to tend to. So that's my thing. I really like the like shape of this. I like the fit. I like the softness of the fabric. There are many things that I do like about the functionality. I love how it has the 2 zippers where you can unzip, change the diaper, and not even disturb the top half of the baby. I like a lot of things about this product, but the fact that I have to give it an entire week to try and work, and I already saw that it really just was not going to be you know, a good start out with Harmony, because she wasn't even sleeping long. I was just like over it like the first day. So but I do like other things about this product, and I am keeping it because I do like it, but I don't think that it's gonna work because it just takes too long to have to make it work. And then even if I make it to that 7th day, there's no guarantee that it will work. So if you guys have tried this before with your babies, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what was your experience. Maybe should I give this a try for 7 days? Do you think I should go ahead and just put in the effort and try this? Will it work? Have you done it before? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this, or have you had something similar or something like that? Let me know what you guys have done in the comments down below. Okay guys, this is an update to the Swaddle Up baby swaddler that I got from Target. And I just wanted to come back because I know that I was a little biased and negative the last time that or earlier in the video, but I just wanted to give you guys an update. I have used this on Harmony for a number of days. I think it was like 4 or 5 days, and I'm continuing to use it. I'm still using it, and she's actually liking it. Like, it's starting to grow on her. So like, she's for nap time, she'll sleep in it for nap times, not so much at night for bedtime, but then again, she's still not sleeping very well at night. She's more so sleeping really good during the days, and I'm trying to flip-flop that around, but during the day, she's kind of hollering in the background. But so during the day when she's taking naps, she actually sleeps in this thing really well. So I think when they say, you know, definitely stay consistent with this thing and using it every day, I think they're onto something when it comes to that. You do want to stay consistent so the baby gets used to it. So Harmony, it's growing on her. She's not used to it yet, but it's definitely growing on her. She likes the fact that she can keep her arms out, but she also still likes to be swaddled with her hands down by her side. I think it just something about the security of it. It just makes her sleep better. But she has slept in this for, I think she slept for like 2.5 hours or 3 hours when she had this on for naps for like 2 days. So it's growing on her. It keeps her feet out at the bottom, and so I think she likes that part as well. So it's coming along with that. I will come back here probably next week with an update to this to let you guys know, you know, if she's fully accustomed to it or not. But yeah, I think we're gonna keep using this as much as we can to kind of keep her going in the consistency of getting used to it. So it's not all bad. If you do want to try it, I definitely think it's worth a shot. But again, you do have to stay consistent so that your baby gets used to it. Harmony is almost used to it, but she's just not there yet, but she's almost there. So if I had to give this a rating, like, I would give it 3 stars right now, because we're just hanging in the balance. We're in between. We're not really there yet, but I can see her getting there in the coming days or maybe weeks. Oh, one more thing. If you guys have a question about anything or about the swaddle, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to answer those things for you guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Now you're running on the run, got a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song.